back to my channel. All right, so I wanted arroz camarones, but I wanted like a different style. So boom, there goes the yellow rice. And since I'm the only one that's gonna be eating this, I just took my shrimp, cleaned them off. I got my special seasoning up in there with some butter and olive oil. So I'm gonna let the rice finish cooking and the shrimp slowly cook, and then I'll be back. OMG, look how good it looks. I'm gonna plate this up with a salad and I'm gonna meet y'all at the table. Come on, let's go. All right, so this is how it turned out. I'm gonna eat my salad with the organic Thousand Island dressing that we got from Whole Foods with some corn, and I got my arroz camarones here, and
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. You didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep.
I got the botanicals, the plant fiber. See you tomorrow.